Good morning, friends. This is Kiransa's voice. Actually, we are discussing the lesson number 4 extreme weather. In last period, we discussed about there are some aspect of the weather. We are discussing about that temperature, precipitation, dryness, heat, and cold. So, when we are discussing about that type of area in the world's having so many areas like that, but there not any humankind life, but there are some places on the world people can live easily and enjoying the life, but still the nature means the weather drastic given the drastic impact on mankind. Till that the nature और weather giving the drastic impact on mankind, इतना सब कुछ होने के बावजूद भी इंसान जहाँ जहाँ पर रहता है फिर भी नेचर अपना प्रभाव अपना इम्पैक्ट मैनकाइंड के ऊपर छोड़ के रखता है. स्टूडेंट्स, सी हियर, दिस इज द वेदर स्टेशंस and this weather station situated nearby the ocean or sea. So that's why this weather station having a great idea to identify the weather, to study the weather. Okay, now see here, this is the very good picture of the weather stations. Now see, hello students, open your page number 55. We have to discuss about the next paragraph. Weather stations have been set up all over the world. They are used to measure temperature, rainfall and other weather conditions. This is the great lines, so underline. This data helps scientists to analyze, try to understand and attempt to predict the weather. So till that, this is the work of the weather stations. Scientists try to understand so many things, and there are also understanding the predict the weather. Predict, this is टेल इन एडवांस, जिसे हम भविष्यवाणी भी कह सकते हैं वेदर की तरफ से जो आती है वो सारी चीज़ें, और साइंटिस्ट इसको एनालाइज करते हैं एंड गिवन द इंफॉर्मेशन टू द पीपल. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज द यूजेस एंड वर्क ऑफ द वेदर स्टेशंस. ओके, इन सम प्लेसेस records have been kept for many years. There is a one question arising that why they kept the record for many years, because we have to study about that place in a particular way, in a frequent way. So that's why the scientist or weather station or related person keeping the records of many years. In other places the extreme condition have made it almost possible for scientists to set up or maintain a recording equipment. So this is the second understanding pros of this paragraph. There are important for the keeping the records of the many years for the weather condition, and this is a weather condition, this is the helpful to the scientist because दे हैव टू मेंटेन द रिकॉर्डिंग इक्विपमेंट. उस साल इतना ये हुआ, हॉट हुआ, कूल हुआ या रेनी सीजन हुआ, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट दे गिवन द इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू द पीपल. सो दैट्स व्हाई दे कीपिंग द रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ द वेदर कंडीशंस. ओके, नाउ वी डिस्कसिंग द हॉटेस्ट एंड कोल्डेस्ट. एवरीवन हैव द नॉलेज अबाउट दैट विच आर द हॉटेस्ट areas or continents and which are the coldest continents or countries. Everyone have the idea. The hottest and coldest parts of the world are sparsely inhabited. Sparsely means very low people living. So when we discussing about the hottest and coldest area, in that area so many people not living, there are living only very few people living there. This is the inhabited. With technological developments such as satellites that use infrared scan and eco drones, scientists have been able to add the existing ground data collection methods and venture further into this difficult to assess areas of the earth. that are too hot or too cold. So according to that, everyone understand that, and scientists have a knowledge about the which are the hottest areas and which are the coldest areas. So using of the scientist method, and using of the satellites, there are eco drones also, infrared scans, and scientific have been able to add the existing ground data collection methods and ventures. This is the dangerous work further into these difficult to assess areas. So after that, when you discussing about the hottest and coldest area of the world, so there are some having some ventures, because when you doing the dangerous work, this is the difficult to assess that areas. उस एरिया में जाना भी अभी भी उतना ही खतरनाक होता है. सो दैट्स वाई यूजिंग द सैटेलाइट्स एंड साइंटिफिक इक्विपमेंट, the scientists collecting the data from the hottest and coldest areas. Okay. In some places in India, the temperature can reach 50 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, people are at risk from heat exhaustions, dehydrations, and death. So in the area also, so many places there are having the above temperature 50 degree Celsius above temperature, and from that area the people living in a bad condition. So that's why this is the heat exhaustions, dehydrations, and death. These are the reasons of that areas. So many people killed by the high temperature. They want to sit in cool baths. Everyone have the idea about that. If you feel heat or warm, that time you have to sit in a cool bath or cool areas. But water warm up quickly and is usually scarce when temperature are this high. पर जनरली इस तरह का जब टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है तो एवरीवन वांट टू सिट इन अ कूल प्लेसेस, जैसे कूलर हो, एसी हो, इस जगह पर बैठने का उनका भी दिल करता है. ड्रिंक आइस ड्रिंक्स and stay in air conditioned buildings or rest in the shade. So that's why in a hot places areas people felt that they want to sit in a air conditioned buildings or sit in a cool shade areas. So these are the reason for that, and we are in this paragraph we are discussing about the temperature. In our India also having the so many areas regarding that. Okay. In the history of ancient civilization in Egypt, Persia, and South Africa, gardens were carefully crafted and planned to provide produce. So actually when you're discussing about the North Africa, Persia, and Egypt, these are the places of hottest areas. So that governments of that country giving some having some plan to provide to people the light sadness. So that's why the gardens were carefully crafted. गार्डन उस तरीके से बनाया गया है जैसे कि उनको टेम्परेचर कम लगे, एंड प्लान टू प्रोवाइड प्रोड्यूस, और वहाँ पे प्लान किया गया है बहुत सारी पेड़ों का. एंड दिस इज द मेन रीज़न, इफ़ यू grow the more tree you can bear a least hot, and this is the formula also Indian government also use. Water and create concrete cool areas in otherwise hot countries. So that's why using the water, shade areas, crafted plants, and create concrete. So these are the uses टू कूलिंग द एरियाज. अगर इतना नहीं करते हो तो दिस कंट्रीज हैविंग इन अ हॉट कंट्रीज. इतना सब कुछ अगर नहीं करते हो वो कंट्रीज हॉट कंट्रीज ही आपको देखने को मिलेगी. वेयर देयर इज फ्रेश वाटर एंड ट्रीज देयर कैन बी सम रिलीफ फ्रॉम द हीट. एवरीवन हैव द आइडिया, इफ देयर इज अ वाटर और ट्रीज इफ़ देर इज़ अ वाटर और ट्रीज, जहाँ जहाँ पर पानी हो या पेड़ हो वहाँ पर धूप इतनी तेज नहीं रहती जितनी कि जिस कंट्रीज में देर इज नो वाटर एंड ट्रीज. सो दिस इज द कंपैरिजन बिटवीन द कंट्रीज. देर आर सो मेनी कंट्रीज having the hottest temperature, but they people not going here and there, they uh, improving that area, and this area और वो एरिया अपने रहने लायक करने का प्रयास करते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई दिस इज द होल स्टडी ऑफ द टेम्परेचर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड टिल हियर, एंड दिस इज द lesson. And those who are understand the geography references, that person having the easy to understand. I hope you understand very well. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.